officer for the day. Please listen hard because this will come out later. Our next activity. Let me just give you a rundown, a review of what will come out. Good housekeeping. Let me define you. What is good housekeeping? Good housekeeping is keeping
Clean.
Keeping the house good.
Clean and tidy.
Giving the right
Burn
things,
your house.
giving the right things, tools, equipment, materials, the right time, the right place. What are the good habits
The right man.
to achieve a good housekeeping? So, they give you the 5 S. That's sort. In Japanese, that is senso. Seri. Sort. That's seri. Sweep. The seton. Sanitize. Seiso. Standardize or systematize. That's seiketsu. And Suki or self-discipline. Sukijitsu. Sukijitsu. Suki. Can be 12 to 7S. Let me just add 2S. That's safety and save mother. Save Mother Earth.
That's a 7S.
Keep that in mind. Thank you.